In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that many people use for project management, team collaboration, and organizing information in a systematic way. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to walk you through the straightforward process of creating a new sheet. First, open your internet browser and navigate to Smartsheet's web application. Once there, you'll want to head over to either the Home tab or the Sheets panel. This is where you can typically view all of your existing sheets and folders and is the starting point for creating something new. Think of it as your control center. It's where you get an overview of all your workspaces and open projects. Next, it's time to look for the button that will allow you to create a new sheet. This button might be labeled a few different ways, like +Create, or perhaps just +New. You might notice a plus icon. Smartsheet sometimes uses that as a visual cue for creating new items. It's designed to be intuitive, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking this button will present you with a variety of options for what you can create. When you click the Create button, you'll likely see multiple options appear, offering different types of sheets to start with. For today's purposes, you want to select Sheet to begin building a new blank sheet. You might notice other options here, such as Grid, Gantt chart, or even Import from Excel, depending on your project needs. Each type offers unique functionalities. For instance, if you're managing a project timeline, Gantt charts can be really useful. But for a basic sheet setup, just go with the standard sheet. Once you've chosen to create a new sheet, you'll arrive at a blank canvas. Here, you can start personalizing it to fit your project requirements by adding columns, setting up headers, and adjusting the layout as needed. Take some time to explore the various features available to you, such as conditional formatting or automated alerts, which can enhance your workflow. And that's truly all there is to getting started with a new Smartsheet. In just a few simple steps, you've set the foundation for organizing your data efficiently. As you become more familiar with Smartsheet, you'll likely find other features and tools that could be game changers for your specific needs. So, that's it for today's lesson. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Smartsheet and leveraging its capabilities to make your work life much more organized and effective. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your productivity.